So children, percentage 8th class, third video, part 3 children, part 3, third video exercise. Okay, so children, here, if ever you remember children, first video and second video we discuss about the percentages addition. So here we will discuss some examples children. First Vedant, get ready. 23%
Yes.
of A is 46. Find A.
So 23 is 46, then
23% is 46.
46, then 100 is A.
100% is A. Find A.
So A is equal to 100 into 46 by 23.
Cross multiplication.
Yes,
23 into A is equal to 100
100
into
into 46. A is equal to 100 into 46 by 23. 23 2s are 46. A is equal to 200.
next. Pravalika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So 72% of 25 students are good in maths. Good in math. How many are not good? How many are not good? 72%
22%.
is, see 72%, wait, 72% are good means how many are bad?
Sir, 100 minus 72.
28% are bad at maths. Okay, so 100% is 25. 100% is 25 students. 28% is how many students? You will get bad at maths students. Tell me how to do. 100 into
100 into x is equal to 28 into 25. X is equal to 28 into 25 by 100.
So 7 students are bad at maths. 7 students are bad at maths. Okay, first. Nandika, get ready. Nandika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Third sum is like this. Football team has 10 games. Football team won 10 games. Football team won 10 games. From total they played. This was 40%. This 10 games is 40%. So how many games did they play at all?
Sir, 100% is X.
40%
40%
is
is
10
10.
games. So 100% is
X.
how many games? Total games will be 10 cross multiplication.
Sir, can you move the board a bit?
The 25.
Yes, sir. 10 into 100 into 10. X is equal to 100 into 10 by 40. X is equal to 25.
So 25
Games they won. They played.
games. They played 25 games. They played totally. They played 25 games. Next, Sujit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
HMAV had 600 left after spending 75%. After spending 75%, she had 600 rupees with her. How much did she have originally? Sujit, if 75% she spent means how much is left with her? Percentage. 75% she spent means how much percentage is left with her? Percentage.
25%.
From 100 remove 75, Nana Sujit. From 100 to 70, 25% is left. That 25% is 600 rupees. 25% is 600 rupees.
600 rupees.
100%
is X.
how much? Means total money how much she have.
25 into X is equal to 600 into 100.
25 into X is equal to 600 into 100.
X is equal to 600 into 100 by 25.
Okay. 2400 rupees she had initially. Initially this much money she had. Later it became that much. Okay, 78.8% of common medicine for stomach upset is absolute alcohol. 78.8% is alcohol. 3.3% is mentha oil, and 0.17% is chloroform. How much each of these compounds are there in pack of 30 ml? In 30 ml pack, how much is each one is present in 30 ml? Shall I say one sum or you will tell? 30 ml is
Sir,
100%.
can I say?
30 ml is 100%. 30 ml is 100%.
So 30 ml is
78.8% is how much? 30 ml syrup is
100% is equal to x ml. So x is
3.3 is percent is how much menthol oil? 30 ml is 100%.
30 ml is 100%.
0.17%
0.17% x.
chloroform. Cross multiplication you should do.
X is equal to x into 100 is equal to 30 into 78.8%. X is equal to 30 into 78.8. 30 into 3.3%. X into 100 is equal to 30 to 0.1.
Sums here is equal to how much? So
X is equal to 30 to 78.8% by 100.
30.
X is equal to 3.3 by 100.
So individual percentages, individual ml you should find. In 30 ml tonic, each one will be how much? Each one will be how much in 30 ml tonic basis. This is a 30 ml tonic. In 30 ml tonic, how much is each one present? So if you take alcohol, 23.64 ml alcohol is present, and 0.21 ml of oil is there, and 0.531 ml of chloroform, like this. You should be in a position to do this. Raghuram, are you there? Yeah, next one. A nursery has 5,000 plants. 5% are rose. 1% are mangoes. So, what is the total number of other plants? Other plants.
Other plants are 94, sir.
Very good. 6% is over, no? So 94% is other plants. How to find out other plants number?
Sir, 100% is equals to 5,000 plants. 94% is equals to x.
Very good.
100 into x is equals to 94 into 5,000. X is equals to 5,000 into 94 divided by 100 into
4700 plants are there, other plants. Rishikesh. Rishikesh, Malvika gets 98 marks in her exam. 98 marks she got in her exam. And this amounts to 56%. This is 56% of total. This is 56%. What is the total marks? What is total marks? 56% is 98 marks.
98 marks. Then 100% is equal to x. 98 into 100. Sorry, 56 into x is equal to 100 into 98. X is equals to 100 into 98 by 56. X is equals to
175. 175
175.
is her exam. Out of 175, she got 98. That is only 56%. Okay. Next. Meghana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me this sum. A certain company has 80 employees. 80 employees are there in a company. 80 employees. In this company, engineers constitute 40% of the workforce. 40% are engineers in this company. Okay, how many people are employed in the company? Total, how many people are there? The company has 80 employees. This 80 employees, 80 engineers are there. 80 engineers are there. This is 40%. How many total employees are there?
100 minus 40, 60.
40%
40% is 80.
80.
100% is x.
That gives the total number of employees. Tell me how
40
much?
into x is equal to 100 into 80. X is equal to 80 into 100 by 40.
Is 200 employees were there, out of whom 80 are engineers, which is 40%. 80 are engineers, which are 40%. Hansika, are you there? Hansika, are you there? Anu, are you there? Okay. Sujit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Ishan spends 30% of his salary as spending, and 3% in a temple he is giving. Okay, he spends 231 on these two items. 231 rupees he is spending. What is his monthly income? 30 plus 3, how much?
33.
33% is 231.
231, 100% is X.
What you will get? This X means what? What is this X? That is his total salary.
So
So 33 into X is
3 into
equal
X
to
is equal to 100 into 231. X is equal to 100 into 231 by 33.
700 rupees is his monthly income. Approximately 700 rupees is his monthly income. Okay, last sum. Sujit, tell me last sum also for the day.
Yes, sir.
Last sum for the day. So, is there like this? Out of total income, Sharma spends 20% on house rent, 70% on groceries, etc., and saves 1800 rupees after spending. What is this income? Yes, Nana. 70 plus 20 is how much amount? Sujit.
90. 90%.
90% is spending. How much is saving?
1800.
10% he is
9%.
saving. From 100, if you remove 90, 10% is saving. 10% is 1800. 10% is 1800.
100
100% is how
is
much?
X.
100 into 1800 is
1800 is equal to 10 into X.
18,000 is his monthly income. Last sum, Sujit, again you always say you're not able to understand. So Anushri has to pay 4% sales tax on certain 4% is sales tax on certain article. Find the price of her article if she paid 2 rupees 60 paisa in all. Total she is paying 2 rupees 60 paisa. What is the find the if she pays 2 rupees 6, find the price of article, only price of article. Only price of the article. If it is 100 rupees price of the article, Sujit, after sales tax 4%, how much it will be?
10.
104.
104.
If it is 100 rupees, after sales tax it is 104. After sales tax she is paying this much. What is the original price? 100 rupees became 104. How much will become 260? 100 rupees became 104. How much will become 260? Tell me cross multiplication.
100 into 260 is equal to X into 104. X is equal to 100 into 2.60 by 104.
If you remove this point, 10 become 0 cancel. 260 by 104. 260 by 104 means how much? So 2.5, the price of the article was 2.50 rupees. The price of the article was 2.50. After 4% sales tax, it became 2.60. Okay, children? So, children, prepare well for tomorrow exam, children, percentages, all of you, and write exam at 10 o'clock. Thank you so much.